How to play FireKirin on Android. Before you start playing, make sure you have downloaded and installed the FireKirin game on your device. If you haven't done this yet, visit the official FireKirin website to download the latest version and install it. Then open the FireKirin game on your device. Once the game launches, you will see the login screen. Enter your account credentials to log in. If you don't have an account or just want to try the game quickly, you can tap on the guest option to play without signing in. After logging in or selecting guest, you will enter the main game interface. Here you can explore different tables, events and game modes, play with other players and enjoy all the features FireKirin has to offer. Now you know how to play FireKirin on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.